All right, problem number 11. Consider the graph below. Sketch the new graph after the transformation in each part. First part, f of x plus 5. I do know that x plus 5 is going to move the entire problem to the left 5 places. So I notice that right now the point is at -2, 0. If I go left 5 from -2, 0, that's going to put me at -7, 0, which is going to be about right there. I'm just going to do my best. And it's going to look like a parabola very similar to that other one. So I try to make it the same shape because the shape doesn't change, just where it moved changed. Okay, f of -x is going to flip the graph about the y-axis. So this will be a reflection about the y-axis. So instead of being over at -2, it's going to be over at 2, and it will still hit up at 4. And it's still going to be the same shape. It's just reflecting over the y-axis. Okay, the next one, -2 f of x. What the negative does on the outside is actually reflected over the x-axis, or turn it upside down. And then that 2 is actually going to make the graph steeper because each y value is being multiplied by 2. So it's growing a little bit faster. So we're at -2. Instead of going up, we will be going down instead. And I'm going to try to make the graph steeper if I can. So that does that. So I think I did pretty well there. All right. Okay, this last one, lots of things are happening. The graph is going to move to the right 1 because of that -1 inside by the x. It's going to move up 4, and then this negative on the outside is going to flip it upside down or reflect it over the x-axis, whichever way you want to look at it. So I'm going to do one step at a time. I'm going to start at -2. First thing I'm going to do is go move to the right 1, and then I'm going to move up 4, and then I know it's going to flip upside down when I graph it. This time. And I'm going to try to keep the same shape that it had before. So there we go.